Alright, I'm going to show you how to create your home page. So, first things first, if you don't have a home page created or anything like that, what's going to display is your latest blog posts. So right here I have 3. And to fix that, we're going to start by creating our home page. So under pages, let's add a new page. I'm going to call this page home page and publish it. And then if we go under settings and reading, under settings, reading, front page displays, it'll be defaulted at your latest posts. Just make that a static page and select your front page, which is our home page. So we call it home page. We're going to select that there. And this is the same spot if you have a blog. Your blog will be the post page. So let's go ahead and click save. Now when we visit our site, we have our home page. So, but it doesn't look like our live preview yet. We got to edit that page, and under page attributes we select home page. So let's go and update that, and we'll view the page, and you kind of see how everything's working. Actually, featured products shouldn't be there. It should just be blank. I was playing with this earlier, but you'll notice our slider's empty. And we're going to go over the slider in another video, but we're going to go over the home page right now. So what actually displays down here is 2 things. One is homepage content. So I'm going to go and update that to show you what's showing up. So you can actually have homepage content here, and everything else is going to be widgets. So if we go under appearance and widgets, there is a homepage widget area. And that's actually what's showing up. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I just drop it out of nowhere. So if you don't want any content, or if you don't want any widgets, you just want to use straight content, you can use short codes, columns, and etc. Go ahead and do that here. But if you want to have it like a live preview, there are a bunch of homepage widgets. So there's featured products, which is what we used in the live preview. And you can change the column count and the number that's being pulled in. All that good stuff can be done right there through the widget. You just click save. I don't have any products built yet, so we'll use another one. Let's go ahead and add latest blog posts. So we create our latest blog posts. You can create a category that you want it to pull from. If you do all, it'll be all of your posts. We'll go ahead and click yes. And I only have 3, but you'll see how it displays. So it pulls everything in, and there would be 4. Our hello world post doesn't have an image featured, so it shows up a little dinky, but you get the idea. You get your latest blog post, and it looks kind of like the live preview. And we can adjust the number of columns as well. Let's go ahead and do 2, since we have 2 posts. And actually I'm going to do number of posts as well as 2, so it's a little easier to read. So we have our 2 blog posts that show up. So let's go and I'm going to change that back to 4 and 4 like our live preview. And you can add as many widgets as you want. So let's go ahead and add a latest portfolio post. So it works the exact same way with posts and columns. So if I refresh that, we now have our 4 that we had set. And then we have 4 portfolio posts as well. And they display the same way. Once again, I only have 3 portfolio posts, but you get the idea. The last thing I want to go over, so that's those, is that featured text, and that actually goes in between. So I'll do an example here. I'll go ahead and save that, and I put it in between the blog posts and portfolio posts, and you'll see that it's starting to look a little more like the live preview with the text in the middle. And you can put that on the bottom as well if you wanted, wherever you want. But there's a whole bunch of options. I think there's 5 different homepage widgets. Featured products, just for note, is only products from the featured category. So if you're wondering how to get posts showing up under there, that's how. Just have a featured category. So you have loads of options for the homepage widgets, or just text as well. Should be easy to create your homepage and customize it